Good PM. Ngayon po ay Saturday, August 26, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM result ngayong Saturday, August 26, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto, 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong August 26, 2023 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Saturday, August 26, 2023. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 and Grand Lotto 655 for August 26, 2023, Saturday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Saturday, August 26, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.